Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to your science class. In today's video, we will study friction. In this, we will cover what is friction, what are the causes of friction, what are the different types of friction, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of friction. We have seen that a football rolling on a ground comes to rest after some time. If you stop paddling your cycle, it will stop running after some time. This happens because of a phenomena that is opposing motion of football, cycle, and it is because of the force acting between the ball and the ground or wheels of the cycle and the ground. So that resistive force acting between the two bodies that are in contact and in the motion such that it opposes the motion is called friction or frictional force. Friction is a type of force that opposes the motion of the object. Now we will see what are the causes of frictional force. If you observe any plane surface through a lens, table, or any floor, what will you see? You will be able to see a lot of irregularities, grooves on the surface. These irregularities exist as at the microscopic level. When one surface is in contact with the another surface, the irregularities on both the surfaces they get interlocked. And when they get interlocked, so it is act as an obstruction in the motion of the object. And what happens when two surfaces they are smooth, the interlocking or irregularities will be less and the friction between the two surfaces will be less. So we can say that it is caused due to the opposition of by the irregularities of the two surfaces, and these irregularities they interlock with each other and oppose the motion. And if the object is at rest, there is no frictional force. And friction, it also depends on the types of material and the mass of the moving object. This force always acts on all the moving objects. Friction is mainly classified into two categories. First is static friction and another is kinetic friction. Static friction is if you push a table gently, the table will not move. The friction acting between the table and the ground prevents the table from moving. Okay, when you push a heavy table or a heavy box or a heavy almirah, what happens? It will not move. The friction acting between the two surfaces in contact when there is no motion in the object, when the object is at the rest. In that case, what happens? The opposite force and the applied force is equal, means the frictional force and the applied force on an object is equal. But if we increase the applied force, what happens? You are able to move table or a box or an object. Next we come to kinetic friction. Now we consider an example of a football rolling on a ground. The football comes to rest after moving some distance. Why? This is due to the friction between the ball and the ground. Okay, so the frictional force between the two surfaces when there is a motion between them, it is kinetic friction. It is of two types. One is sliding friction and another is rolling friction. The friction acting between the surface when the object slides over another surface is sliding friction. Okay, when two flat surfaces are there and one object slides over another surface. And rolling friction, it is the frictional force act between the two surfaces when one object rolls over the another object. So here you can see three frictions Now we are going to study some advantages of the friction. Actually, it would be impossible for us to walk without friction. When we walk on a surface, the friction provided by the surface help us to walk. क्योंकि surface से friction की वजह से we are able to walk. Suppose on a icy road or a slippery road, what happens? What happens? We don't have enough sufficient friction, so we find difficult to walk over icy road. And when you walk on a grass or a rough floor, friction exerted on the foot by the ground is more. And cars, buses are able to move safely on road because of the friction. All machines, they have friction. We are able to hold things due to friction, because of friction between the skin of our palm and the object. Without friction, the object would slip off from our hands. And friction, when you apply brakes of cycle, car, so there is a friction between the brake pad and the brake disc, which help to reduce the speed of the vehicle. And friction is all and due to friction we are able to write on the paper. There are few disadvantages of friction. First is, actually this friction, it generates heating of the machine parts, so which can bring down the efficiency of the machines. And it also brings down unnecessary wastage of energy and reduces the efficiency of machines. Now there are few methods by which we can minimize friction. First is by applying some lubricants like oil or grease, by smoothing the two surfaces, by using ball bearing, by streamlining, because all these things coat the surface, make them smooth, and it reduces roughness or grooves. With this, we have finished with our lesson. I hope you have understood. Thank you.